Let us look at how to create a cushioned sofa stool like this in Blender. So we'll go to a new file and we'll delete the right and go to modify panel and add subdivision surface with 2 levels. Go to edit tab, add a loop cut, make the loop cut to 2, go to the side view and scale it out. Apply scale so that you get this. So we will select the X-ray mode, select these vertices and we'll go to select, checker deselect. Then we'll go to edge, vertex, connect vertex pairs. We'll go to edge so that all these edges are selected and we'll go to bevel. Then we will add a little bevel and add 2 segments. Then we'll go to face selection, then you can go to select, deselect everything. Select this, and this. We'll go to select similar area. Now area, if you increase it becomes more and decrease it becomes less. So if you have something more, you can reduce the number, but we need to only select these. Then we'll go here and we'll say individual origins. Okay, then if you go to edit, preferences, go to loop tools and turn it on. So we'll right click, loop tools and make it circle. And then we will scale it big. This size will depend on how big the holes you want. Then we will create inset. And before deselecting it, we'll hit the tab or object mode, go to subdivision surface and add 3 and apply it. Okay, then we'll go to sculpting mode. Face sets from edge. Then you have to hit the control, click on this and hit control W. So you get nice and round selection. Then we'll go down and we need to select the box mask. Go to the side view and then we need to mask the top part and the bottom part. So simply click and drag. Then you can increase the selection just to make sure that the top and bottom are selected. Okay, so we mask them out so they don't bulge up. Then we will go to the cloth, turn it to inflate, face sets, click and drag left. Okay, and then you click and drag right slightly a few times. And the cushion is ready. Now you go to cavity, both, madcap, select your material, go to object, shade smooth, and you have a beautiful cushion sofa done in few minutes. Thank you very much.